guests as we celebrate the International Women's Day here at Aisha Girls High School.
Okujaguza eki habamu okweshongora ebyeshongoro nokayo ebikwata n'emizaano byona birukoreka emitwe y'abakazi.
Uganda initiatives in the SLAIC Girl Child Program have shown a remarkable impact because girls who attend school are able to delay marriages and childbirth, have healthier families and communities. Therefore, when girls thrive, communities thrive.
No longer shadow, waiting for the light. Every girl deserves to soar, to claim her rightful might.
Bakuru b'ishomero bagira ngo batebekanisa omukoro ogwo koreka Abeebembezi ngo abaana abisiki bakiri nibaraba omu mbeera eggumire.
Hana Aisha Girls turiyo ntukuza kandi ntuselebratinga ebintu bishatu muri kimwe. Women's Day ekabaho kirye ekisiibo twasharaho ngu katugiteekera izooba abaana babase kushemererwa mbwire bwabo bashemererwe.
Erizooba ninsima Aisha Girls boku empowering women, girls to be women. Abakyala nibakira tunagira nagiro kwekoka ninsima Aisha Girls abakuba netwihayo and it shows us our rights. Kwegamba Aisha Girls is the home of women.
Bano abaana tebakoma kwebyo byemulabye wabula basomera ddala n'ekitabo kya Allah Quran n'ebintu ebirala. We have a dual curriculum.
Wana baziire baashabwa okonja amaani omu kushagika ebyokushoma kw'omwana w'omwishiki kumwombekere nyensya eggumire.
Ati abishiki twine nka 250 konka nitukyenda abandi twongera abaana kandi ekindi eky'amaani n'okubamanyisa ngu tuturukwakira bishiki b'abasiraamu bonka.
Abwa TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon.